Who's that? Who's that? Spacey found your hand. She said there's somebody else here that can pet me.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I can tell because you always do the dumbest narration.
Do you think it's stupid, Luke, what I say? Do you think it's stupid? No, you don't think it's stupid. No, you don't think it's stupid.
You're not supposed to talk to baby like that. It makes him retarded.
So how you talk to him. How am I supposed to talk to him?
Like you're a cop. Hey! Put him up. Quit fucking around, buddy.
There are too many curses on our videos.
Rated R.
There are gonna be too many curse words on our videos. Too many curse
Quit hanging it
words.
up.
You look so cute though.
A little heavy. The camera adds 10 pounds.
Smile. Give us a smile. Give us a smile.
That's mommy. She likes to force things.
He's smiling so much before. Oh, is that close? Is that almost a smile? Or are you taking a poop? What is that? Is that you? Is he doing his arm?
Are you dancing?
Are you dancing?
Or levitating?
What the hell are you doing? What's going on? You're a magic baby. How'd you do that? Was that you sticking your hand underneath?
You're an idiot.
I thought he was,
I thought he was really flying there for a
I
second.
didn't think he was full.